Shubhodayam. Welcome all to the 7th batch of certificate course on Sanatana Dharma organized by Veda Samskriti Samiti in association with Vishwa Yoga Vidyapit. Today we'll be continuing with the Sanskrit and language class by Akale Hemakant Prabhakar Rao garu. We start the session with Vande Mataram by Venkat Narayan garu.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Suphalam, Malayaj Sitalam, Tasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Vande Mataram. Thank you, Venkat Narayan garu. Now I request General Gadda Chandrasekhar garu to do the pradhana. Chandrasekhar garu, are you there? Okay. Shankar Narayan garu, can you do the pradhana? Chandrasekhar garu, you are there?
I'm there, sir, but I'm traveling.
Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. Shankar Narayan ji, can you do the pradhana, please?
1 minute meditation followed by 3 times Om. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतो ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहस्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरो मां पाहि गुरो। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।
Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you, Shankar Narayanan ji. Thank you very much. Now I request Shankar Narayanan garu to do the Samskrita Geetam, please.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। केयूरान विभूषयन्ति पुरुषं हारान चन्द्रोज्ज्वलाः न स्नानन्न विलेपनन्न कुसुमम् नालङ्कृता मूर्धजाः वाण्येका समलङ्करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता धार्यते क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततं वाग्भूषणं भूषणं वाग्भूषणं भूषणम्।
ధన్యవాదాలు వెంకటనారాయణ గారు. Now I request Prabhakar Rao garu to continue with the webinar, please.
స్వాగతం సర్వేభ్యః. ప్రవేశకక్ష ఆరంభం కుర్మః. Let me share the lesson. Last lesson, 10th lesson, we have left in middle because of some problem in the file. Hari Om. Are you seeing the file, please?
No, it is yet to come. It is coming, I think. Now it has come. Yeah, go
Yeah.
ahead.
Now, if you see the columns, the Shabda, how it will be Janakaha. This is the Shabda. Janakaha means father. Janakaha, father. How to see this Shabda? When this Visarga is there, it is gives an indication, basic indication, thumb rule indication, that is Pullinga Shabda. And that if you remove that Visarga, you will find the root word of that. That is Janaka. So Janaka contains which Varnas? At the end Varna, what is end Varna? What is the end letter? End letter is Ka. In Ka, what is the end Varna? K plus A. So A is the end syllable of this Janaka Shabda. The Janaka Shabda end syllable is A. Based on this A, The Panini Vyakaranam decides the vibhakti of that Shabda, Janaka Shabda. The 7 forms of that word. So this Akaranta Shabda. This Janaka Shabda is Akaranta Shabda. And this is Pullinga Shabda. This is also decided by Vyakaranakarta. This Janaka Shabdam is a Pullinga Shabda. And then it is being shown in Pradhama Vibhakti. Janakaha is Pradhama Vibhakti. That means Karta. He is the person who is doing the work. The name of a person, Janakaha. Father's name is Janakaha. And it is in Ekavachanam, only one Janakaha. One person is there. And its meaning in English is father. And this is Bandhuvachika Shabda, relations. Relations name. One of the relations name you have. Janakaha, Mama Janakaha is my father. Mama Janakaha. And this is similar to the sample Shabda Rama. In the tables of Vyakarana tables, there is a sample Shabda called Rama Shabda. Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha. Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha is the standard word given to you, and there 7 vibhaktis will be given. That means that Rama Shabda, how to use Ekavachanam, how to use in Devachanam, how to use in Bahuvachanam. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Ramaha Ekavachanam, Ramau Devachanam, Ramaha Bahuvachanam. So like that, it should be understood that the usage of the Rama Shabdam, when you are using as a Ekavachanam, you should use Ramaha. When you are using for 2 Ramas, then you should use as Ramau. When you are using that Shabdam for many Ramas, then Ramaha. So if you are using in Ditya Vibhakti, that same Shabdam, that will be Ramam, Ramau, Raman. I have given at the end of the table. Ramau, here. If you see, Ramau, Ramaha, Pradhama Vibhakti. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. When you address this, Hey Rama, Hey Ramau, Hey Ramaha. When you use Ditya Vibhakti, as I told you when I handled Ditya, when I talked about Ditya Vibhakti rules, the Ditya Vibhakti is used for a Shabdam when that Shabdam is used as a karma. When Ramaha is used, it will be Karta. He is the person doing the work. When the work is being done, when that person is being addressed, it will be Sambodhana. Hey Rama. When on the person, the work is being done, then the Ramam. Saha Ramam Nindati. Ravanaha Ramam Nindati. The Nindati Karikram on whom it is being done? On Rama. So the Rama Shabda should go to Ditya Vibhakti. Ramam. Ditya Vibhakti Ramam. So then Tritiya Vibhakti, that means Rama is helping Sita to go along with her, with him to the Aranyas. Ramena Saha Sita Aranyam Gacchati. So Rama is in associated mood, associated work. That means Ramena. That is Tritiya Vibhakti usage. And then when Rama is taking Namaskaram from you, you say Ramaya Namaha. So that Rama is taking Namaskaram from you because he is taking something, receiving hand. When he is in receiving end, he should be told in Chaturdev Bhakti, Ramaya. When something he is separating from him, Ramat Pustakam Swikaromi, the Pustakam is separating from Rama. So the Rama should go to Ramat Panchami Bhakti. Ramasya Patni, you are talking about a part of Rama, an item of Rama. Ramasya Kodandam, Ramasya Hastaha, Ramasya Padaha. That means Ramasya is a person, item belonging to Rama we are talking. Then you should go to Sasti Bhakti, Ramasya. Rame Sadgunaha Santi. In Rama, there are Sadgunas. That means Rama is becoming Adhara, is a base. Is becoming a base for the Sadgunas. That's why Rame, that Rupam is Rame. So these are the 8 ways of using Rama Shabdam in Ekavachanam. Similarly, Divachanam. Similarly, Bahuvachanam. Like that, 7 into 8 into 3, 24 types ways you can use the Rama Shabdam. The Rama Molaru, Rama Shabdam, Akarantaha, Punlinga, Rama Shabdaha. The Rama end syllable is A. Akarantaha. This is, Lingam is given to, assigned Lingam for this Rama Shabdam is Pullingaha. And this Pradipadika Rupam, the root word of this is Rama. So Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha. is used in practice in 24 ways. This is the table. So similarly, for every word you should understand. Now let us go to Janaka Sabdam. Janaka Sabdam is also Akaranta Sabdam only. So it should be similar to Rama Sabdam. So how to say this table further? Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Janaka Sabdaha, Janakaha, Janakau, Janakaha, Pradama Vibhakti. Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bhavachanam. He Janaka, He Janakau, He Janakaha, Sambodhana. When he become karma, Janakam, Janakau, Janakan. When he is associating Janakam, Janakena, Janakabhyam, Janakaihi. When Janaka Sabdam is taking something, Janakaya, Janakabhyam, Janakebhyaha. When Janaka, something is separating from Janaka, then Janakat, Janakabhyam, Janakebhyaha. When something is belonging to Janaka, when you are talking, Janakasya, Janakayoho, Janakanam. When something in Janaka, if you are talking about, Janake Nipunam, Venavadana Nipunam asti. Janake Venavadana Nipunam asti. In the father, there is a capacity of playing Vena. So, Janake, Janakayoho, Janakeshu. Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bhavachanam. Like that, we have to use Janaka Sabdam in all these 8 Vibhaktis. We have to understand the Janaka Sabdam is like Rama Sabdam. So once you learn Rama Sabdam, all Akaranta Pullinga Sabdas are similar. Once you learn Rama Sabdam, try to understand 50% of Sanskrit Sabdas are you understood. Because most of the Sabdas are Akaranta Sabdas only. 40 to 50% will be definitely Akaranta Sabdas only. So Rama Sabdam, if you understand properly, when it is become, in which form it is there, in which Vibhakti, then most of the Sabdas you can adopt in a similar way. Only thing the adopt you should do that, understand that you should adopt like that. Now let us go to front again. Now if you go to next Sabdam, after Janaka Sabdam we go to Pita Sabdam. The Pita is not Akaranta Sabdam. Pita Sabdam root word is Pitru. Pitru Sabda is the root word. Pita Sabda is the root word Pitru. Rukaranta Sabdam. This is also Pullinga Sabdam. Pita is the Pradama Vibhakti Rupam. Ekavachan Rupam. Meaning is father only. So, for this, the root word model Sabdam is Pitru Sabdam. Correction. So Pitru. So the root word is for this Pitru Sabdam. So how Pitru Sabdam is there? The Rukarant Sabdam. Let us see the Rukarant Sabdam. How Rukarant Sabdam is there? Rukarantaha Pullingaha Pitru Sabdaha. Pradama Vibhakti Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Rambhadam Pradama Vibhakti. He Pitaha. Visarga comes in Rukarant Sabdam. In Sambodhana. In Akaranta Pullinga Sabdam, Rama Sabdam it goes. He Rama. Here it comes, Visarga comes here. He Pitaha, He Pitarau, He Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun, Ditya Bhakti. Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi, Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Sashti Bhakti. Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam. Like that, we have learned. Pitru Sabdam will be Rukaran Sabdam. It will be less Sabda. Not many will be there. But Bhatru, Bhitru, Jamatru, all these things are Rukaran Sabdas. Jamatru, Jamata, Jamatru, Bhrata, Bhratru. Okay. Pitta, Pitru, root words. So like that, you have about Pitru Sabdam. Then if you go to next one, after Pita, we go to next Sabdam is Pitamaha. The root word is Pitamaha. Akaran Sabdam. Ha plus A. Akaran Sabdam. Pullinga Sabdam. Pradama Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Grandfather. Bandhuvachik Sabdam. Rama Sabdam. So Matamaha. Akaran Sabdam. Rama Sabdam. Pullinga Shabdam. When all these are Pullinga Shabdas. Putraha, Putra Shabdam, Akaran Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Sahodaraha, Sahodara, Akaran Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Agrajaha, Agraja, Akaran Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Anujaha, Akaran Shabdam, Pullinga Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Matulaha, Akaran Shabdam, Pullinga Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Patihi, this is Ikaran Shabdam. This Ikaran Shabdam root word is Pati. Root word is also Pati here. Pati Shabdam. His root word is Pati Shabdam here. Swasuraha, Akaranta, Pullinga Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Pautraha, Akaranta, Pullinga Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Jamatra, Rukar, Jamata, Jamatru, Rukaran Shabdam, Pullinga Shabdam. Jamatru Shabdam, Pitru Shabdam laga. It's like that, that's like Pitru Shabdam. Just like Pitru Shabdam. Pitru Shabdam. Okay. Pati Shabdam is like Pati Shabdam is given here, the down. You can see Pati Shabdam here. Pati Shabdam, Pati, Pati, Patayaha. इकारांत पुल्लिंग पति शब्द पति पति पतय हे पते हे पति हे पतय पतिं पति पतीन् पत्या पतिभ्यां पतिभिः पत्ये पतिभ्यां पतिभ्यः पत्युः पतिभ्यां पतिभ्यः पत्युः पत्योः पतीनां पत्योः पत्योः पतिषु. So while seeing these things, you have to see how the difference is happening between Akaran Sabdam to Rukaran Sabdam to Ikaran Sabdam, where it is differing. That you have to read and grasp it, where the difference is coming. Then you will be able to remember fast. Okay, don't by heart. Don't try to compare these two tables and find out where the difference is coming. Individual capacity, how to remember these things. So remember those tables with tips. How that is differing from one table to another table. That's how you have to develop your own knack and remember those things. Okay. Next. Like all these sabdas will have, the basic concept is understand the root word, understand the end syllable, understand the lingam of that word, then find out its seven vibhakti rupas and three vachanas, and then find out the base word for that. According to base word, learn all the seven vibhaktis. That is the concept of learning these words. Here, all these things are given here in the first person. We'll go to next lesson now. Some tables are given here. You must be seeing these tables already there in your book. So now, you understand these tables when you read them. Now let us go to next lesson, 11th lesson, today's lesson. Okay. I have given some examples to you. Based on that examples, you have to go. And some more examples will be seen today in the next table. Now let us go to next this thing here. Yeah. Are you seeing 11th lesson here now?
No, it has not come.
Not come. Okay. Okay, are you seeing now?
No, it has not yet come. Something is coming. Yeah, 11th lesson has come.
So 11th lesson, we are talking about avyayas. As I told earlier, parts of speech are 5. One is namvachakas, Rama, Sita, Mitram, like that. Then sarvanamas, saha, sa, tat, eshaha, esha, etat, ayam, iyam, idam, kaha, ka, kim, asmat shabda, ishmat shabda, all these sarvanama shabdas. Then third one is adjectives, uttama, chaturaha, that adjectives, visheshanas, which will give the gunadharma of the namvachaka and sarvanamas. And then fourth one is kriya. Based on the kriya, the action, what action is being done, that is called kriya. Then fifth one is avyayas. This is a words which doesn't have any change anytime at any place. Anytime, any place, it doesn't have any instance. It will not have any change. So avyayaha are called indeclinables, will not have gender, number, case, linga or vachanam or vibhakti or kalam. No variations for this. Is always same. Just like Paramatma. There is no change. Paramatma doesn't have any changes. There is Nichyamu Satyamu, Paramatma. Like that, Avyaya is also Nichyamu Satyam. That's why Paramatma has got the name Avyayaha. So Avyaya Sabdam, Avyayaha. Avyaya Sabdam is doesn't change at any time, at any place, at any position. So certain indeclinables, avyayas will be formed by adding prachayas to the verbs. Certain things will form with verbs, certain things will form with shabdas. We have got two categorization in Sanskritam. One is shabda, another is dhatu. Shabda gives all namvachakas, sarvanamas and visheshanas and avyayas. Dhatu gives verbs. So, this is avyayas comes from both kriyas as well as verbs. From verbs also it comes, as well as from shabdas also it will come. The things that are coming from verbs are three types. Tvantam, lebantam, tumantam. 3. Gantva, agachya, gantum. This type of verbs we will learn later, next class. We will talk about Shabda type of avyayas now. Shabda type of avyayas are antaha, inside, bahihi, outside, diva, in the day, tushnim, silently, swayam, by itself, oneself, itself, ma, do not do, evam, like this, thus, idham, in this manner, sarvada, always, re, o, pura, sambodhana, pura, long ago, alam, enough, kimardham, for what purpose, samyak, well, properly, sarvatra, everywhere, naktam, in the night, sayam, in the evening, punaha, again, Senaihi, slowly, chiram, for a long time, kadachit, once, upari, above, ataha, below, vrutha, in vain, saha, with, chet, if, uchai, loudly, mandam, gently, dwara means through, kurute, for. These are the avyayas we are supposed to learn. Initial one set of avyayas. Many more are there. One set is given here. How to use them? Where it is used them? Whether it is a karta or karma kriya? No. Neither it works as a karta, nor it works as a karma, nor as a kriya. It works as associated for the sabdam, for the vakyam. When you use in vakyam, the vakyam will have complete meaning. That is the idea of this. So, Udyanat means from Ujjanam. Bahihi antahacha vrikshaha bhavanti. This means what? For the garden, outside and inside, vrikshas will be there. The trees will be there. Are there. Trees are there. Or will be there, are there. Bhavanti means will be there. Normally will be there. That normally they are there. So Ujjayanat bahihi antahacha vrikshaha bhavanti. It's a normal happening. It happens like that. Normally we see vrikshas outside and inside this thing. Now I say, instead of Ujjayanat, Vrikshas, instead I say Ekavachanam. Vriksha bhavati. Instead of Vriksha bhavanti, I say Vriksha bhavati. So will that Bahi Antaha, will it change? Will it not change? Ujjayanat Bahi Antaha cha Vriksha bhavati. So Bahi Antaha will not change. So if I say Ujjayanat Bahi Antaha cha Vrikshaha abhavat, Bhutakalam, it will not change. When you use in Bhutakalam, Vartamanakalam, Bhavishyat Kalam, the Bahi Anta Rupam will not change. Cha Rupam also will not change. So, Akase Nakshatrani Naktam Rajanti, Diva Na Rajanti. Night time they glow and daytime do not glow, the stars. There also Naktam and Diva, they will not have any change in the Vibhaktis. If they Rajanti, if we say Bhutakalam, Vartamanakalam, Bhavishyat Kalam, or Nakshatram Rajati, instead of Nakshatrani, if you use Nakshatram Ekavachanam, then also it will not change. Instead of Akase, if you use some other word, then also it will not change. So that Naktam Rupam, Diva Rupam will not change. That's why they are avyayas. Sa Gayati Tushnim Tishta. Sa Gayati, she sings, you sit calmly. Tushni means just so calmly you sit there. So if I say Tishta or Upavishatu, if I change the verb, the Tushni will not change. Similarly, if I say Gayati or Patati or Likhati or Khadati, whatever I say, Sa Gayati, the Tushni will not change. If I use instead of Sa, I use Saha or Tat or Mitram or Rama or Te or Taha, whatever Sabdam I use for Sa, the Tushni will not change. That means any changes in any word, this Avyaya Sabda will not change. Because it gives the same meaning in all the sentences. Sachivaha Swayam Agachya Drushtavan. Here Swayam is the Sabda Rupa Avyayam. Agachya is the Kriya Rupa Avyayam. Agachya, after coming. That is the Avyaya Rupa. So that we will learn how that has come later. Tvam evam ma kuru. Don't do like this. Ma is Avyaya Rupa. Instead of Tvam I say Aham evam ma karomi. Ma will not change. Vayam evam ma kurmaha. We will not do like this. Ma will not change. Yuyam evam ma karata. Ma will not change. So that's why the ma is avyayam. Idanim iddham vadasikim. Why you are saying like this? Iddham, like this. So like this will not change wherever you use. So kimardham chatraha samyak na patanti. Why the chatras are not reading properly? That properly, samyak properly, and kimardham purpose. Both things are avyayas. So pura in the olden days, ekaha nrupaha asit. Long ago, ekaha raja was there. If I say raja, rani or balakaha or whatever I do for nrupa, this pura will not change. Tvam sarvada patha. Tvam patha or likha or whatever I do here, kriya, or it is of tvam or patha, whatever change I make for these two, the sarvada rupam will not change. The sarvatra vayuhu asti. If I say sarvatra devaha asti, sarvatra will not change. Sarvatra phalam asti, phalani santi. Sarvatra will not change. Sarvatra vayuhu asit. Sarvatra will not change. Bhutakala, kriya, bhutakala vakyam. It doesn't change. So if I change the karta, it is not changing. If not kriya, it is not changing. So these things will not have any effect on avyayam. So in the vakyam, whatever words are used in the vakyam, that only fulfills the sentences completeness, the bhava completeness, the meaning completeness it gives. It fulfills the gaps of the sentence. Otherwise, you will get questions. Vayu asti. Then question comes, kutra asti? If I say sarvatra vayu asti, the vakyam is complete. Otherwise, if that avyaya sabdam is not there, then there is a likely possibility of gap in the sentence. If the vayu, these gaps in a sentences the avyas will fill it up and then makes the complete sentence. That is the purpose of avya. Avya has got a very important role in speaking. Please understand this. So now let us understand some usage in sentences. Chet. A word avyayam chet means if. If this work is done, then other work is done. Two sentences are there. You can add chet with these two sentences. It can be used as a conjunction. Just like and. You can use chet. If this work is done, that work is done. Like that. So, karoti chet, if one does it. Agachyati chet, if he comes. If he ought to come. Agachyati chet. Asti chet, if it is there. Nasti chet, if it is not there. Like that. If not. Bhavan agachyati chet samichinam. Bhavan agachyati samichinam asti. Agachyati chet samichinam asti. Bhavan agachyati one word. Samichinam asti second sentence. These two are combined by chet. Bhavan agachyati chet samichinam asti. Vrishtihi bhavati chet janaha santushtaha bhavanti. Vrishtihi bhavati one sentence. Janaha santushtaha bhavanti second sentence. These two are combined by chet. So, samayha asti chet mama gruham agaccha. If time is there, please come to my house. Mama gruham agaccha. Please come to my house. Chet. The chet is added because of saying that the condition is samaya. The action is mama gruham agaccha. Karanam, karyam. The karanam and karyam are joined by chet. First you tell karanam, then tell chet, then tell action. The karanam is samaya asti. That is karanam. The reason. The reason is time is there. Then if mahagama hacha, action. What action you have to take if that karanam is fulfilled? Mahamagraha hacha. Second sentence. Abhyasam karoti chet bhavan uttirnaha bhavati. If you practice, you will pass. So the karanam is abhyasam. Abhyasam karoti. Karanam. What is the result? Bhavan uttirnaha bhavati. This is a karyam. So pustakam gruhe asti chet aniya dadami. So pustakam gruhe asti. This is the karanam. Reason. Then aniya dadami. I will bring it and give to you. That is the meaning of aniya dadami. These two are combined by chet. One is karanam, another is karyam. One is reason, another is action. Reason and action are combined with the conjunction of chet. Next. Like that, now we have got two avyas. Will make the usage of sentences more complete. The idea will be more complete. Now, yadi tarhi. This also works just like chet only. If and then. Yadi viramaha asti tarhi agaccha. If viramam is there, then you come. This then is ascertaining it. Clearly, chet is some ambiguity may be there. But here completely is clear. Yadi viramaha asti tarhi, then only you come agaccha. Yadi pustakam asti tarhi pradarsaya. If book is there, then you show me. Yadi karyam samaptaha tarhi bhavan agacchatu. If work is complete, then you can go. If then prayogam. Yadi samyaka avakasha asti labhyate tarhi agaccha. If you get the avakasham, then you come. So if then prayogam. Yadi tarhi. So this yadi tarhi prayogam can be replaced by chet. How to replace chet? You remove yadi, remove tarhi, put chet in place of tarhi. Then the vacuum is complete. Instead of yadi tarhi, yadi karyam samaptam tarhi bhavan gacchatu. If work is completed, then you go. If yadi, then tarhi. But then how do you write this chet? Karyam samaptam chet bhavan gacchatu. Remove yadi, replace tarhi by chet. It gives same meaning. So yadi tarhi is alternative to chet, or chet is alternative to yadi tarhi. In both ways you can use. Depends on how you want to use it. That's all. It's only your convenience. Then next avyayadvayam is avyayadvayam two avyayas. Yada tada. Da indicates time. Yat always gives when. Which time? At what time? That time. So yada, when, then. When this happens, then this happens. So when and then both indicate time. So yada dharmasya glanihi bhavati, when dharmasya glani bhavati, when dharmasya glani bhavati, then devaha avatarati. So yada tada indicates time concept of the combination of two sentences. When this happens, that happens. When then. Yada dharmasya glani bhavati, tada. Yada tada. This da swarupam is time indicator. Ya is the when. Whoever. Yat prachyam. That is yat prachyam. Ya da, yada. Yat plus da, yada. That yada tada. Ta is tad prachyam. So yada tada. When it happens, then it happens. So when dharmasya glani bhavati, tada devaha avatarati. Yada dhanam labhyate, if you get money, if money is obtained, when money is obtained, whenever money is obtained, whenever time the money is obtained, yada dhanam labhyate means whenever that money is obtained, tada bhikshukaha santushtah bhavati. Then the beggar will be happy. So yada vasantakalaha, whenever vasantakalam is there, yada vasantakalah means whenever vasantakalah is there, tada kokilaha kujati. Yada vasantakalah, tada kokilaha kujati. Yada vasantakalam agachiti abdhat. Means yada vasantakalah agachati, tada kokilaha kujati. Kokila kus. Kuku kus. Yada suryastaha bhavati. Suryastaha means sunset. Yada suryastaha bhavati, tada pakshinaha needam pravishanti. Needam means the nest. Tada, when the suryasta, when the sun sets, the birds go to their nests. So when then, yada suryastaha bhavati, tada pakshinaha needam pravishanti. Pravishanti means enters. So this next avyaya prayogam is yatha tatha. Yatha tatha. This is similarity. Whatever is like this, whatever is like this, that will be like this. Same way. The same way it will be. Yatha raja tatha preja. Yatha raja will be there, tatha people will behave. Yatha raja behaves, tatha people behave. So the behavior of the raja and people, similarity there. Yatha tatha. When two similarities you have to say, you have to use the yatha tatha. So that similarities could be anything. Anything could be similarity, but for two items, similarity should be there. Two people or two items, then yatha tatha prayogam can be done. Here raja and people you have taken. Yatha raja tatha preja. So similarly, yatha bhavan prayatnam karoti. In a whatever way you do prayatnam, you do trials, tatha phalam prapnoti. That way you get the phalam. Yatha karma bhavati, tatha phalam bhavati. Karma siddhantam. Yatha bhavan prayatnam karoti, tatha phalam prapnoti. Whatever work you do, the result like that. Yatha karma, tatha phalam. Tatha janma. Yatha karma, tatha janma. Whatever you do karma this janma, next janma will be like that. Based on that only. Based on today this karma, next janma will happen. Yatha karma, tatha janma. So, tvam yatha vadasi, tatha eva bhavatu. Whatever way you do, you say, let it happen like that only. So, you are agreeing the way of happening to his telling. Both are similar. That's what you are saying. So, next, yatha shreshtaha acharati, tada janaha acharanti. Whatever the big people, society, in the society behave, the common man in the society also try to behave in the same way. So that's what it says. Yatha shreshtaha acharati, ता जनाः आचरन्ति. Next अव्यय प्रयोगम is यावत् तावत्, so long as. यावत् तावत् is a comparison between of two items, either in the quantity or in the length or in the time, whatever it is. Two items are being compared here. Yavat tavat, so long as this is like that is like that. Yavat Himalaya bhavati, tavat Hindustan tishtati. As long as the Himalayas will be there, so long as Hindustan will be there. Hindustan will be there. That means protected. Hindustan is protected. So, yavat Surya tishtati, tavat Sanskritam virajate. The Sanskritam time is how much time? As long as Surya is there, Sanskritam will stay in this land, in this bhumi, on this land. That is the life of the Sanskritam. The life of Sanskritam is equal to life of the Surya. That's what we are saying. So similarly, saha yavat khadati, tavat eshaha na khadati. Here the bhojanam. It is talking about khadana, eating. So as one yavat this man is eating, that man is eating, this man is not eating. Saha yavat khadati. That man, whatever quantity is eating, eshaha na khadati. This man is not eating. So suvarnasya yavat mulyam, tavat mulyam rajtasya nasti. Whatever value is there for bangaram, that much value silver will not be there. Whatever value will be there for suvarnam, gold, whatever value for suvarnam will be there, gold will be there, that much value silver will not have. So the value is not same in between these two. That's why nasti is used, negative. If it is same, then you will say same. Na will not be used, asti will be used. Yavat suvarnasya mulyam, yavat mulyam asti, tavat mulyam rajtasya asti atta. You will say like that. But rajta is not equal to suvarnam. So what you say? Yavat suvarnasya yavat mulyam bhavat yavat mulyam, tavat mulyam rajtasya nasti. Next, last one is yajyapi tadhapi. Here, a reason is there, but the action is not happening. The first sentence, reason is told. The second sentence, the action is not being happening, that is being told. That is the here done like that. So, yajyapi vibhishanaha agrajam chaktavan. That is a karanam, that is the reason. But by that, what should be there? It should be called as adharma. Because leaving a elder brother is a adharma. That is not happening in second sentence. Tathapi na ayam adharmaha. So Vibhishan adharma is not adharma. He is dharmaha only. Reason is different issue. But when he has left the elder brother, he is supposed to be called as adharmaha. But he is not being called. Tathapi na ayam adharmaha. Even then he is not adharma. So similarly, alasaha yajyapi dhrudakayaha. Alasaha means lazy fellow. A lazy fellow, alasaha, lazy fellows. Alasaha yajyapi dhrudakayaha. They are very strong people, having a lot of shakti. Tathapi, even then, te karyam na kurvanti. The action is not happening. The reason is there for doing action, but the action is not happening. Then this is used. Yajyapi tathapi is used. A reason is there for doing some work, but that work is not being happening. To say that work is not happening, you have to use tathapi. Yajyapi tathapi. Yajyapi aham sambhashanam karomi tathapi mama truptihi nasti. Yajyapi tathapi. I am talking, but I am not satisfied with the talking. The talking I should have an effect on the people, no? Yajyapi aham sanskritam pathayami tathapi mama santruptihi nasti. Kimardham samyak avagahana na kurvanti. Janaha abhyasam na kurvanti. Abhyasam they don't practice. So it's not getting into up to the mark. When they are not up to the mark, I feel disgusted, naturally. Is it not? If you don't do abhyasam, if you don't speak, if you don't use words, naturally, whatever you learned, if you don't put in practice, it will not happen. You will never learn. Whatever words you are learning, you have to put in practice daily. At least 10 words you have to write before sleeping. 10 words you have to use morning to evening. Then slowly you will pick up. If you don't use it, I'll just read, hear the lesson and go away. And then come back to the next lesson 1 week back, 1 week afterwards. Then what you will learn? This whole week you have just did not use at all. Whatever taught last 1 week. Then nothing progress will be there. In fact, it will go back because you forget those things, past ones. So without abhyasam, you cannot go ahead. So yajyapi aham sambhashanam karomi, like that similarly, yajyapi sambhashanam karomi, tadapi mama truptihi nasti. I'm not feeling satisfied because the people hearing did not respond properly. Yajyapi tasya samayavakasaha asti, even though the time is there for him, saha na agachati, he is not coming. So many people are there for learning Sanskrit. Some people are not coming. Registered people are about 40 people or 50 people are registered, 150 people are registered, but coming only 21. Yajyapi samayaka asti, tadapi na agachanti. Bahava janaha. Many people have got time, but they don't come. It's just reluctance, that's all. That's what it shows here, that sentence source. Yajyapi tasya samayakasaha asti, tadapi saha na agachati. Even then he is not coming. You don't feel the heat of it. Yajyapi sanatan dharmasya avamanam karishyanti, tadapi janaha na bhashanti. Reaction nasti. Hindu jane reaction nasti. Bahavaha janaha, many people are blaming Sanatana Dharma, but no Hindu is reacting. Yajyapi Sanatana Dharmasya avamanam bhavishyati, tathapi janaha na tiriskurvanti. Nobody is reacting. Chalta hai. Let it happen. Nobody is bothered. Chitraha kakaha. Ekaha kakaha. This is the story. Here what we learn, karta karma kriya. Ekaha kakaha asti. Asti means kriya. Kakaha is karta. Asti. Kaha asti. Kaha asti. Vadantu. Chappandi. Please tell. Ekaha kakaha asti. Kaha asti.
काकः
काकः
एकः
एकः
काकः
अस्ति
एकः काकः अस्ति.
What
सः
is
बहु
it?
तृषितः. कः तृषितः?
सः
काकः
सः बहु
सः तृषितः.
सः तृषितः
कः तृषितः? सः तृषितः.
सः
सः
तृषितः
कः?
सः
सः काकः.
सः काकः
Saha kaha. First answer is saha because the sentence saha is there. Kakaha is not there. Kaha trishitaha, saha trishitaha. Saha kaha, saha kakaha.
काकः
Saha kaha, saha kakaha. Saha kakaha katham asti?
where
How he is?
तृषितः
Huh?
how is it
Katham means how. Saha katham asti?
काकः
Trishitah.
तृष्णीं
काकः तृषितः अस्ति. काकः तृषितः अस्ति. काकः तृषितः अस्ति. कर्ता क्रिया. काकः अस्ति. कथमस्ति? तृषितः अस्ति. The quality. क्रिया विशेषणं. तृषितः is क्रिया विशेषणं. So जलं जलार्धं भ्रमति. जलार्धं भ्रमति. कः भ्रमति? Who is भ्रमति means roaming. कः भ्रमति? काकः भ्रमति. काकः किमर्थं भ्रमति?
जलार्धं
भ्रमति. काकः भ्रमति is sentence. जलार्धम is the purpose. काकः भ्रमति. किमर्थं भ्रमति? जलार्धं भ्रमति. So these are the sentences to be made in your day-to-day life also. Simple sentences. So if you think in these lines, you can make the sentences. Tada Grishma Kalaha. Tada means then. then summer. Tada grishmakalaha. Grishmakalaha. Vasantakalaha. Grishmakalaha. Varshakalaha. Sitalakalaha. Like that. So, tada grishmakalaha. Grishmakalaha kada? Tada.
When? Tada.
Tada. Then. Tada kada?
Tada
Tada
kada.
kada? Yada kakaha bhramati. Whenever the kaka is bhramati, whenever the kaka is bhramati, whenever kaka is moving, tada grishmakala. So, tada kada, when is that happening? The question is, when is that happening? When the kaki is moving. Yada kakaha bhramati, yada grishmakalaha, tada, whenever kaka is moving, tada grishmakala. When is the grishmakalaha? Whenever kaka is moving, then. Yada tada prayogam. Just now we learned, no? Yada tada prayogam. Time concept.
Yes.
So, yada kakaha bhramati, tada grishmakalaha.
Grishmakala.
This is how you have to prayoginchali. Yada navavadanam bhavati, tada aham karyalayam gacchami. Yada navavadanam bhavati, whenever the 9 o'clock happens, then I go to office. Yada navavadanam bhavishyati, tada aham karyalayam gamishyami. Bhavishyat kalam. Yada panchavadanam bhavishyati, tada aham uddhashyami. I will get up. General కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. యదా పంచవాదనం భవతి తదా ఉత్తిష్టామి. This is general. Normal every day happens like that. యదా పంచవాదనం భవతి ప్రాతః పంచవాదనం భవతి తదా అహం ఉత్తిష్టామి. So like that you start using these words. Open your mouth and start speaking, either yourself or with somebody. You start speaking. You start using the words. Start writing the words every day in the night. From morning to evening, what are the words, what are the works you have done? Write the names of the works. What are the items you have seen? Write the names of those items. And karta, kriya. Add karta and kriya, make sentences. Write 10 sentences like that. Ram, putraha, panchavadane uttishtati. Putraha, sadvadane, snanam karoti. Putraha, astavadane, paఠశాలాం gacchati. Simple sentences. If you go on writing, then you develop. If you don't use, you can never develop. Just hearing will not get you the language. Next, kutrapi jalam nasti. Kim nasti?
Jalam.
Jalam nasti. Jalam nasti anali. You said nalam nasti. Why you said jalam? Complete the sentence. Kim nasti?
Jalam nasti.
Jalam nasti.
Jalam nasti. Jalam kutra nasti? Kutra api nasti.
Kutrapi nasti. Jalam kutrapi
Kutrapi
nasti.
jalam nasti. Kutra plus api kutrapi. Kutrapi jalam nasti. Kakaha kashtena bahuduram gacchati. Kashtena. Tritiya vibhakti. Kashtaha kashtena. Kakaha kim karoti? Gacchati. Bahuduram gacchati. Kakaha kim karoti? Kakaha bahuduram gacchati. Kakaha kashtena bahuduram gacchati. Kakaha katham bahuduram gacchati?
Katham.
Kashtena.
Kashtena bahuduram gacchati.
Kashtena bahuduram gacchati. Tatra saha ekam ghatam pashyati. Tatra saha ekam ghatam pashyati. Saha kim pashyati?
Ekam ghatam pashyati.
Saha ekam ghatam pashyati. Saha ekam ghatam kutra pashyati?
Where? Tatra.
Tatra.
Tatra pashyati.
Tatra pashyati. Saha ekam tatra pashyati. Saha tatra ekam ghatam pashyati. Kasya ativa santoshaha asti. Kasya kakasya. Kakasya ఇక్కడ కస్య కాదు. కాకస్య.
Kakasya.
కా ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. కాకస్య అతీవ సంతోషः అస్తి. కాకస్య.
Kakasya
కాకస్య అతీవ సంతోషः అస్తి. काकस्य
अतीव
काकस्य अतीव
सन्तोषः
सन्तोषः
अस्ति
अस्ति काकस्य किमस्ति
किमस्ति
अतीव
काकस्य अतीव
सन्तोषः अस्ति
सन्तोषः अस्ति
काकस्य अतीव सन्तोषः अस्ति काकस्य अतीव सन्तोषः अस्ति काकस्य किमस्ति काकस्य अतीव सन्तोषः अस्ति
अतीव
अतीव
सन्तोषः
सन्तोषः अस्ति
So,
Sir, here
किन्तु
ativa means
घटे स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति किन्तु घटे in the घटं स्वल्पम् एव only एव means only
स्वल्पमेव
स्वल्पम् only
जलमस्ति
जलमस्ति किन्तु घटे किम् अस्ति घटे
घटेन
स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति
जलं स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति
स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति करेक्ट घटे घटे स्वल्पमेव जलमस्ति जलं कथं पिबामि दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच अहं जलं कथं पिबामि इति काकः चिन्तयति whenever you use inverted commas you have to use iti like this
yes.
iti means like this
Like this.
jalam katham pibami like this काकः चिन्तयति काकः किं चिन्तयति चिन्तयति wrong
काक
चिन्तयति పెట్టాను चिन्तयति ఉండాల్సిన చింతయతి పెట్టాను
जलं कथं पिबामि
not expert typist so काकः किं चिन्तयति जलं कथं पिबामि इति काकः चिन्तयति
काकः चिन्तयति
जलं कथं पिबामि इति काकः चिन्तयति
इति काकः
सः एकम् उपायं करोति सः एकम् उपायं करोति काकः किं करोति
काकः एकम् उपायं करोति
एकम् उपायं करोति so एकम् ekam why I have written ekam makaram here because next word is
starts
Yes,
with u
but here
That's-
kim is wrong here should be kim dot should be
Kim dot,
wrong.
yeah.
This kim is wrong it should be dot here
Yeah.
because next word is ka
incorrect ka
because since next word is ka it should be dot here not makaram
Yeah.
yes.
okay so काकः एकम् उपायं करोति शिलाखण्डम् आनयति काकः किम् आनयति काकः शिलाखण्डान् आनयति
खण्डान् आनयति
शिलाखण्डान् आनयति शिलाखण्डान् मीन्स् द्वितीय भक्ति बहुवचनं
Yes.
शिलाखण्डः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दं जस्ट लाइक रामशब्दं शिलाखण्डः शिलाखण्डौ शिलाखण्डाः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् शिलाखण्डं शिलाखण्डौ शिलाखण्डान् so just like that द्वितीय भक्ति प्रयोगं for that काकः शिलाखण्डान् काकः is the कर्ता आनयति is का क्रिया शिलाखण्डान् is कर्म आनयति कः आनयति काकः आनयति काकः किम् आनयति शिलाखण्डान् आनयति
खण्डान् आनयति
घटे पूरयति काकः घटे कान् पूरयति कान् कान् is द्वितीय भक्ति for कः
Okay.
कः कौके कम कौकान् कः कौके कम कौकान् कः शब्दस्य द्वितीय भक्ति बहुवचनं कान् कान् पूरयति why the answer is शिलाखण्डान् द्वितीय भक्ति बहुवचनं that's why the प्रश्न also should be in द्वितीय भक्ति बहुवचनं
Okay.
काकः घटे कान् पूरयति काकः घटे शिलाखण्डान् पूरयति
शिलाखण्डान् पूरयति
जलम् उपरि आगच्छति जलम् उपरि आगच्छति जलं कुत्र आगच्छति उपरि आगच्छति जलम् उपरि आगच्छति काकः सन्तोषेण जलं पिबति काकः किं करोति काकः जलं पिबति काकः किं करोति जलं पिबति कथं पिबति
संतोषेण
जलं
काकः जलं कथं पिबति काकः जलं सन्तोषेण पिबति काकः ततः गच्छति ततः मीन्स् तदनन्तरम् आफ्टर्वर्ड्स् काकः ततः गच्छति काकः ततः किं करोति
काकः
काकः
गच्छति
गच्छति like that now Shabda Parichayam. Again, Shabda Parichayam. Just like the earlier subject we have learned, no? Rama, the Pita, Janakaha, like that. Akaranta Shabdaha, Ikaranta Shabdaha, like that. Okay. Here we come to that again, the same subject. Okay. So, Chitrakaraha, Akaran Shabdam, Pulling Shabdam, Pradama Vibhakti, Ekvachanam, artist, male artist. This sample Shabdam is Rama Shabdam.
Rama.
Rama Shabdam. Bharavaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Chatra Chamakaraha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Karmakaraha means Karmakaraha, not Karaha. Karmakaraha means worker. These are Pulling Shabdam. Akaranta Pulling Shabdaha, Rama Shabdam. Nartakaha, dancer. Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Sainikaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Dipikaraha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Nataha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Dhivaraha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Suvarnakaraha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, the man who does the gold work, goldsmith. Suvarnakaraha, Rama Shabdam. Chitrakari, who does chitrams, artist. But now, Chitrakaraha, Chitrakari.
Chitrakari.
So, if that is lady is doing that work, all these shabdas are pullinga. If these works, they are all based on the works. Chitrakara writing art, Bharavaha carrying loads, Charmakaraha doing leather work, Karmakaraha doing labor, Nartaki doing dance, Sainiki doing fighting work, Dipikaraha doing writing work, Nataha doing dancing work, Devaraha doing fisherman work, Suvarnakaraha doing Suvarna gold work, Chitrakaraha doing art. Then this is the thing. So all the people are, these are all the Urtikaraha. Who are they? Urtikaraha, VK, Urtikaraha, doing some works. If that is done by female person, then by adding E, it will happen. Chitrakari, Chitrakaraha, Chitrakari. It becomes lady. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Ikaranta Strilinga sample Shabdam is Gauri Shabdam. What is sample Shabdam is? Gauri Shabdam. Ikaranta Gauri Shabdaha. Ikaranta Gauri Shabdaha, how do you learn?
Gauri. Gauryaha.
We learned in last class. No, last class we learned. Gauri, Gauryav, Gauryaha.
Gaurya.
Gauri, Gauryav, Gauryaha. Gaurim, Gauryav, Gaurihi. Like that will be there. So similarly, the Chitrakari Shabdam also you have to learn like that. Ikaranta Gauri Shabdaha. Lipikari, Lipikaryav, Lipikaryaha. Chitrakari, Chitrakariyav, Chitrakaryaha. Like that. From this way, Chitrakari, Chitrakaryav, Chitrakaryaha. Bharavahi, Bharvahyav, Bharavahyaha. Charmakari, Charmakaryav, Charmakaryaha. Like that. Gauri Shabdam, like that you have to learn. For all these things, for all these 10 Pullinga Shabdas, by adding E, they become ladies. Chitrakari, Bharavahi, Charmakari, Karmakari, Nartaki, Sainiki, Lipikari, Nati, Dhivari. Ladies are doing this work here. Ikaran Shabda, all these are Likaran Shabdas. So here, Pradhama Vibhakti, Pratipadika Rupam and the base, the Pradhama Vibhakti Rupam will be same. In Ikarantam, Akarantam, Pratipadika Rupam is same. If Visarga is there, Visarga goes away. But if Visarga is not there, then this will be same in Mahila Shabdas, in lady Shabdas. Ikaran Shabdas, Akaran Shabdas, like Ruvukaran Shabdas, Dirgham. When Dirgham is there, they are all lady Shabdas. Strilingam. So now, let us go to Suvarnakari. Then next comes next lot of those. Pullinga Shabdas. Apanikaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Shopkeeper. Vikraikaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Seller. Gopalikaha, cowherd. Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Sevakaha, servant. Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Adhyapakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Chalakaha, driver. Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Lekakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Writer. Krushakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Farmer. Prabandhakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Manager. Nirdeshakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Director. Pachakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Cook. Arakshakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. This is a policeman. Archakaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdam. Priest. All these things will come Ika. By adding Ika, they will become ladies. Apanikaha, Apanika. Vikraikaha, Vikraika. Gopalikaha, Gopalika. Sevakaha, Sevaka, Sevika. Adhyapakaha, Adhyapika. Chalakaha, Chalika. Akaran Shabdas. What is sample Shabdam for Akaran Shabdam? Akaranta Rama Shabda. Rama Rame Ramaha. Apanika Apanike Apanikaha. Vikrayika Vikrayike Vikrayikaha. Gopalika Gopalike Gopalikaha. Sevika Sevike Sevikaha. Adhyapika Adhyapike Adhyapikaha. Like that. Chalika Chalike Chalikaha. लेखिके लेखिका लेखिका लेखिके लेखिकाः कृषिका कृषिके कृषिकाः स्त्रीलिंगम प्रबंधिका प्रबंधिके प्रबंधिकाः निर्देशिका प्रबंधिका मीन्स लेडी मैनेजर निर्देशिका मीन्स लेडी डायरेक्टर निर्देशिका पाचिका आरक्षिका लेडी policeman अर्चिका लेडी priest आपनिक like that all these स्त्रीलिंग शब्दास are to be learned. Then next two shabdas are there. What is there? Vyadha, Vaidyaha, Vyadha. Vaidyaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Vaidyaha. Vyadha, Akaranta shilling shabdam. Vyadha. Vyadha, Vyadha. Vyadha is Akaranta pulling shabdam. Vyadha is Akaranta shilling shabdam. Vyadha means what? Hunter. Vyadha means lady hunter. Vaidyaha means doctor, male doctor. Vaidya means female doctor. So next lot of words are Ajaha, Aja, Ajaha pulling shabdam. Aja stealing shabdam. Okay, he goat, she goat. Gauhu, Aukaran shabdam. Just like Aukaran shabdam you have to learn that I have given down. Dhenuhu, Ukaranta stealing shabdam. Dhenu, so Visarga is there. This is exception you find here. In Dhenu shabdam, though there is Visarga is there, it's not pulling shabdam. It is stealing shabdam. It is exception. Dhenu means cow. Then Vrushabhaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Tarrakaha, calf. Akaranta pulling shabdam. Mahishaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Bison, Dunabot. Mahishi, Ikaranta pulling shabdam. Buffalo, lady buffalo, she buffalo. Mahishi means she buffalo. Gajaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Elephant. Varaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Ram, Varsa. Akaranta pulling shabdam means what? Rama shabdam. Ashvaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Horse. Gardhabaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Donkey. Meshaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Sheep. Marjaraha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Cat. Sunakaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Dog. Shashaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Rabbit. Kukkataha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Rooster. Kukkati. Ikaranta pulling shabdam. Hen. Gauri shabdam. Kadambaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Duck. Rama shabdam. Sukaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Parrot. Rama shabdam. Moshakaha, Akaranta pulling shabdam. Rat. How many Akaran Shabdas are coming, you see, in our usage, what we are using? Paravataha, Akaranga pulling Shabdam. What is the harm? Once Rama Shabdam is learned, all the words are known to us. All these Akaran Shabdas are known to us to use. Only thing you have to understand Rama Shabdam. That's all. Paravataha, Rama Shabdam, Gauri Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. 3-4 Shabdas, if you learn, 50 to 60 to 70% words are known to us in Sanskritam.
Yeah.
Paravataha, pigeon. Kapotaha, pigeon. Akaranta pulling shabdam. Chatakaha, sparrow. Like that. So now Gau shabdam has got Gauhu, Gavau, Gavaha. Pulling shabdam actually, but it is used in Srilingam also. The Gau shabdam is used in Srilingam and Pullingam both. Though it is known under pulling shabdam, learned under pulling shabdam, but it is used in Srilinga Rupam also in the usage. Gauhu, this one exception. Gauhu, Gavau, Gavaha. He Gau, He Gavau, He Gavaha. Gam, Gavu, Ga. How the difference is happening with Akaran Sabdam and Okaran Sabdam. That you grasp. Read Akaran Sabdam, read Ikaran Sabdam, read Ukaran Sabdam, read Rukaran Sabdam, read Okaran Sabdam. How they are differing one to another. That you find out. Then you will be able to grasp. Don't by heart, blindly go on by hearting the table. Don't do that. Try to read that 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and see how the difference is happening, where the prachayam is changing. Automatically your mind catches that change. If you blindly by heart, mind cannot just, it can, how much he can remember, how much mind can remember? It cannot. And you are not an young fellow, mostly. If young fellows can, they can by heart thousands of letters immediately. Because you have got already some common sense and knowledge, You have to understand how the things are changing from one to another and keep remembrance of that change. Gam, gavu, gaha, gava, gobhyam, gobihi, gavi, gobhyam, gobhyaha, gohu, gobhyam, gobhyaha. These trips, more trips I will give if you come to my classes. How to remember these things again. Here I cannot complete all those things. If I start telling those things, most of things will miss now. Gohu, gavu, gavam, gavi, gavu, goshu. Ukaran Shillinga Sabda, Dhenu Sabdam. Ukaran Sabdam. Dhenuhu, dhenu, dhenavaha. He dheno, he dhenu, he dhenavaha. Dhenum, dhenu, dhenuhu. Dhenva, dhenubhyam, dhenubihi. Dhenve, dhenubhyam, dhenubhyaha. Dhenvaha, dhenoho, dhenubhyam, dhenubhyaha. Dhenvaha, dhenoho, dhenvoho, dhenunam. Dhenvam, dhenau, dhenvau, dhenushu. Like that. So these two are exceptions in the table compared to the earlier lesson. Earlier lesson I have given some 4 or 5 tables. The Shabdas here, these two are extra from earlier tables. Those things are also there in this table. This also there. Okay. Now let us go to next point in this lesson. This next lesson. This 11th lesson is complete now. Let us go to 12th lesson. This I am stopping here, going to 12th lesson now. I got 16 lessons, but I don't have so many classes still. I got only another 4 classes, I hope.
You have changed the lesson? No lesson is being seen.
I changed it now.
It is not coming. No presentation is there.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay, now it's come.
Yeah, now 12th lesson. Here, Kurdantaha. Earlier lesson, we learned that there will be Kriya Rupam Abhyas, right? This one Abhyam we are learning now. This is Krutva, Tvantam. This is called Tvanta Prachayam. This is just like Tavata Prachayam, Patitavan, Liktavan, like that we learned. No, that is Kriya. Patitavan means he read. Saha Patitavan, he read. Apatat. Apatat elago, Patitavan alaga. Just like Patitavan, Apatat, both are same. Apatat is Lakara Kriya, Patitavan is Kurdanta Kriya. Tavata Prachaya Kriya. So similar Prachayam is there here also, Tva Prachayam. The Tva Prachayam indicates when a person is doing 2 works. For example, Ramaha is doing Patati, Ramaha Patati, Ramaha Likhati. Ramaha Patati, Ramaha Likhati. What meaning it gives? He is doing 2 works. Ramaha Patati, Ramaha, both simultaneously. Ramaha Patati is reading, Ramaha Likhati is writing. But actually what happened is, Ramaha, he completed reading. Then he started writing. How to say that? The first one you cannot say Patati because he is not reading now. He completed it. Now he is doing Likhati. Rama Patati, Ramaha Likhati. Ramaha Patitva Likhati. That Patitva comes from Pat plus Tva. Pat plus Tva is Patitva. Lik plus Tva, Likitva. Gach plus Tva, Gam plus Tva, Gatva. Dhav plus Tva, Tva, Dhavitva. Like that. Khad plus Tva, Tva, Khaditva. After eating. Creed plus Tva, Creeditva. After reading. So this work is completed. Second work he is doing. This Tva Prachayam is Abhyayam. This with Tva Prachayam, wherever he use, That will not change. I will show you. Aham kriditva pathami. I study after playing. Okay, this is the meaning of it. If I say I study after playing, I say, instead of aham, I say vayam. Bahuvachan. I change ekavachan to bahuvachan. This is ekavachan sentence, right? Aham kriditva patami ekavachan sentence. If I say vayam kriditva patamaha, right? Am I clear? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vayam kriditva patamaha. The kriditva does not change. Aham kriditva patami, vayam kriditva patamaha. This is the change of vachanam. Now I change the purusha. Aham is uttam purusha. Now I use uttam madhyam purusha. Tvam kriditva patasi. Tvam kriditva patasi. Kriditva, did it change? No. You are studying after playing. You study after playing. You are studying after playing. That means you are studying after playing. Tvam kriditva patasi. If some Rama is doing, Rama kriditva patati. Sita kriditva patati. Mitram kriditva patati. Saha kriditva patati. Instead of patati, I use bhutakala. Saha kriditva apatat. Sa kriditva apatat. I use bhavishyat kalam. Saha kriditva padishyati. Sa kriditva padishyati. The kriditva is not changing, right?
Yeah.
That's why it's avyayam.
No change.
Kriya rupa avyayam. So, aham kriditva pathami. Sah stitva gayati. Ambai pakam kurtva pariveshayati. She did complete the cooking, then she is doing distributing, serving. Chorah archakam društva dhavitavan. He saw the police and then started running. So, Yeshah patham patitva nitram karoti. She completed reading. Yesha. She completed reading, then sleeping. Saha shalam gatva patati. So, aham grandham patitva likhami. Aham kshiram pitva nidram karomi. Saha snatva pujam karoti. Aham ardham gnatva vadami. Te shabdam srutva betavantaha. Balah ardham patitva gnatavantaha. Two kriyas we are using here. Please read this, you will understand. I have sent already this. I don't know, I have sent this lesson. This one I will send to you. Bhaktaha devam smrutva pujayati. Two works are being done. First work completed, second work is being done. This is like this. So in this, what you have to understand is, the person who is doing both the works is same. First work and second work, both the works are being done by same person. If two persons are doing that, can we use this? Tell me, common
No,
sense
sir.
wise.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, because both are not related. They should be related. The same person should complete this work and go to the second work. Then only you can do this. If you say, Ramaha patitva Krishnaha likhati, it conveys no meaning, right? Ramaha patitva, what he has done, Ramaha? Krishnaha likhati. Before that, what he has done? Both sentences are incomplete in one way.
Yeah.
At least Krishnaha patati, one way it is complete. But Ramaha patitva is incomplete sentence. What he has done afterwards? I am not saying there. So you cannot use two kartas. The karta should be same in both the verbs. For both the verbs, for both the sentences, the karta should be same. That is the fundamental rule. Okay? This is the lesson here. The similar way, there is another lesson is there, another Krudantam that is called Lepantam, where this is used. We have learned some Upasarga Purvaka Kriyas, right? Viharati, Samharati, Harati, Viharati, like that, is it not? Sita, Jalam, Harati, means Sita is carrying Jalam, okay? If I am using Bhimaha, Duryodhanam, Praharati, We are using praharati. For harati, say, for harati I can use tvantam hrutva. Sita jalam hrutva gachati. జలం మోసుకుని వెళ్తోంది, మోసి వెళ్తోంది, జలం మోసేసింది, జలం 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 మోసుకుని వెళ్తోంది, మోసి వెళ్తోంది. మోసుకు వెళ్తోంది చెప్పడం కుదరదు, దట్స్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. జలం సీత ఓకే పఠతి, సీత భీమః కృత్వా గచ్చతి means after carrying he went. After carrying something he went. He carried and finished that work and went. Okay. But if he is striking and going, he beat somebody, then he is going. Then what you have to use? Praharati you have to use, right? You cannot use prahrutva. You cannot say prahrutva. You have to use prahrutya. So for example, I say gachati agachati. Gachati is normal kriya without upasarga. Agachati is with upasarga kriya. A is upasarga. Saha gatva patati. Saha agatva, can I say? No. Because upasarga is there. For a kriya where upasarga is there, you have to use lepantam. Here the meaning is what? Is coming. Agachya. Agatya patati. So wherever you are using upasarga kriya, for completing that upasarga kriya, you have to use lepantam, which contains yakaram. Saha gatva patati. Yeshah agatya patati. He goes and reads. Yesha, this person comes and reads. For comes you are using lepantam. For going you are using tvantam. So wherever upasarga kriya is there, you have to use the lepantam. Arakshaha choram anusrutya gatavan. Anusrutya. Sarati means crawling. Sarpaha surtva gachati. Snake crawls and goes. Whereas here choraha kim karoti? Anusarati. Choraha anusrutva gachati. Anusrutva gachati is correct? No, wrong. Anusrutya gachati. Choraha anusrutya gachati. ఎవరిని అనుసృత్య? ఆరక్షకం. ఆరక్షకం కిమపి ఇక్కడ ఆరక్షక గచ్చతి. ఆరక్షక అనుసృత్య గచ్చతి. ఆరక్షక సర్ప శ్రుత్వా గచ్చతి. సర్ప if you are using శ్రుత్వా, you are using in that sentence you are using sarati as శ్రుత్వా tvantam. That means that crawling is completed, then she went. Like that you can say. Srutva gachati. Khaditva gachati. Like that. There you are using the first kriya as tvantam. But if you are using upasarga kriya, you cannot use tvantam. You have to use anusrucha gachati. Say, balakaha పాకి వెళ్తాడు కదా, పాకి వెళ్ళాడు అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ పాకడం కుదరదు, చెప్పడం కుదరదు, ఎందుకంటే పాకుతూనే వెళ్ళాడు అంటాం కదా. సో దట్స్ వై ఇస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. So, Arakshaka choram anusritya gatavan. Here, what basic thing is, when you are using a lepanta kriya, you cannot use tvantam. You have to use lepantam. When you are using upasarga kriya, you have to use lepantam. I will explain this in the next class more detailedly. We'll stop here. Okay? Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sa Viryam Karvavai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, Prabhakar Rao garu, for the nice interactive session today. Request Shankar Narayananji to do the Pradhana, please.
स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षन्तु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधना सदना सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतं सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्याया आन्मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति
सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. धन्यवाद. Thank you, Shankar Narayanan ji. Now we raise for the national anthem by Venkat Narayan garu.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद
जय हिंद. जय हिंद.
Thank you very much, Venkat Narayan garu. Now the forum is still open. If someone has any questions to ask before we close. Yeah, Padmaja garu, you want to ask something?
Yeah, you can ask.
Padmaja garu,
Sir.
Prabhakar garu, మీ
Sir, namaste,
presentation
sir.
చేస్తారా?
Yeah, नमस्ते చెప్పండి. बोलिए.
इधर वन डाउट सर काकस्य अतीव संतोषः अस्ति अतीव मीन्स इट इज वेरी
Very how much? Very much.
so it is an
Ati iva. Ati plus iva ativa.
that which part of speech is that, sir? Oh, means it is an adjective or indeclinable?
Iva is indeclinable. Ati is also indeclinable.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else who wants to ask any question? Okay.
नमस्ते सर
Yeah.
नमस्ते.
Shankar Narayanan ji. Yeah.
sir for Ramasya when you say for Sita what do you say sir?
Sitayaha. You see the 10th lesson, the last Rama Shabdam is there.
Ramasya, like that for Sita, Sitayaha.
Sitayaha. Akaranta
okay.
Shilling Shabdam Yaha.
Yaha, oh, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Rama Shabdam, just like Rama Shabdam. I have given sample Rama Shabdam there.
Okay.
Please see that.
Yeah, yes.
Akaranta Shilling Rama Shabdaha. Ramayaha. Rama, Ramam, Ramaya, Ramayai, Ramayaha, Ramayaha, Ramayam. 7.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, anyone else?
Okay. Babu garu,
Yeah.
If you buy the Sanskrit Bharati Pustakam, it will be more easy for you. Buy the Sanskrit Bharati Pravesha Pustakam.
Oh, yes, sir.
In that 11th lesson, they have given 50 tables have been given there.
Okay.
Even some mistakes are there in my things that can be corrected there by seeing that book.
Uh,
Okay.
okay. Babu garu, you
20%
wanted
I
to
will
say
correct myself
something?
and give to you. But if you buy that book, that will be more handy for you. It
Yes,
hardly
sir.
costs 300 rupees plus postage. 350
Hmm.
or so. That's all. And not only
Yes,
that,
sir.
you can write the examination without paying anything further. And include registration fees also for examination fees also, and all including 300 rupees.
Yeah. Babu garu, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, we have given 2 days holidays for
Hmm.
Sankranti. So that's what I want to decide. We have said somewhere I said I have seen it and put 12 and 13. I think that is not the right dates.
Yeah, I think that has to be corrected. Now, actually, the main festival is on 15th. So, 14, 15, and 16 are the dates. Prabhakara garu, you can add in case you know
Only?
some. The Sankranti festival this time is
Ah.
coming on 15th. So,
Ah.
Bhogi must be on 14th. Then 14th, 15th, 16th should be festival days. Am I correct?
I couldn't get you. One second. One second. One second. I'm getting some call here. One second. What did you
13.
say? Please repeat.
Yeah, the festival days now, as per calendars, 15th is the Sankranti day. So
Okay.
14th would be the Bhogi and 16th is Kanuma.
Ah.
Do you agree with this, or you have, because the
I can come in Sankranti day also, because I
right?
don't have any problem here.
Okay. So Babu garu, you have to change the calendar accordingly.
Will
You find out convenience of your students. Accordingly, I can come.
Right. Okay.
yeah, okay, Monday we will not have holiday.
Yeah.
So please take the class on Monday because you have a class on Wednesday.
Yeah, Monday
Wednesday
I
is
can take
14.
class. Monday I can take class.
So
Right.
Sunday
13th
also I
and
can
14th.
Monday I can take class, and Tuesday also I can take class.
Okay, Monday, Tuesday you take the classes.
Okay.
And then we'll have Tuesday and Thursday as holidays.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's the option.
You can change the program
Yes,
and the
I'll
calendar.
do. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, then thank you very much. And I'll just a minute. There's some message in the chat box. Okay, nothing.
Okay, I got Monday and Tuesday classes. Monday morning and Tuesday morning, right? Your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, Monday morning and Tuesday morning.
And then Friday morning.
Yes.
Then when is the fourth class? No fourth class.
There are only 3 classes.
Only 3 classes. Okay.
Oh,
Only 3 classes are there. 12,
right.
13, 14. 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 2 lessons will be left out. Okay.
Okay, then.
I think you have one more class. I will let you know.
Okay.
Next week, I think you have one more class. Let me see.
Okay,
Okay.
then. Thank you very
Okay.
much. Thank you, Prabhakar Rao garu. See you
Namaste.
next week. Have a nice day.
Dhanyawad.